Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Slightly different this time. It's just me because Jen's taken little man out to a birthday party. So listen, peace and quiet. So what do I decide to do? Make YouTube videos. So today we're making a quick video that I saw on Instagram, which is basically sausage meat spread onto like a sandwich wrap, rolled up, and then you air fry it, and it cooks the sausage through, and it kind of makes like a sausage wrap, sausage roll wrap. No idea, but it's quite easy and simple. 2 ingredients: rolls, sausages. Just got some normal sausages. What you need to do is you need to peel the skin off. These are, I think, Richmond frozen sausages that we defrosted. But as you can see, the skin comes off quite easy. I'm not going to do all of these on camera because I haven't got time. Well, you don't really want to watch that, really, do you? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the skins off of these now, and then I will show you what we do next. Okay, so I've taken all the skins off the sausages, and now it's just a bowl of sausage meat. You could just buy sausage meat from the supermarket, but I'm not sure about you, but we sometimes struggle to find it in ours. They don't always stock it. So I've only just done 4 sausages here, but I wasn't really sure how many we're going to need. I think 4 is probably enough for 1 wrap it's going to look like, which is a bit of luck because we don't have, well, it's just me in at the moment, so no point in me making loads of food, is there? So what we're going to do is get one of these wraps out. Get rid of them. Okay, then you get the sausage meat, and you smear it all over the wrap, like a pizza, but with no tomato or cheese. Sorry about that. Because when I was getting this all out earlier, I was thinking, these 4 sausages enough? Like, going to be too much, but no, it's not, is it? Sure, there's an easier way of spreading this, but I'm in a little bit of a rush before they get home. I think the idea is not to go too thick with it because you want it to kind of cook evenly. As he says, add in more sausage meat. Cool. Okay, right, so there's probably half a sausage left there, which I'm not sure what I'm going to do with. So now you just roll this up. Quite tight. You get a knife. Not very prepared today. Normally I've got everything out. I think you want to kind of go about 1 inch thick. And at the bit at the end, I'm just going to leave it like that. Please don't comment about my little finger sticking up. It's not because I'm posh. It's because when I was younger, I dislocated it, and that's how it normally positions itself when I'm doing stuff. Okay, right. So now we put these in a little basket. Like that, as you can see. Give them a little bit of space between them. And now we're going to tidy my fingers up. Now we're going to put them in the air fryer. Okay, so as you can see, we're putting them in the air fryer in their little basket. I think 180 for, I don't know, 15 minutes. But I will check them after about 5 minutes and then after 10 minutes just to see. Okay, so now that's done. Wow, they look amazing actually. Sound very hot though. You can hear them sizzling away. One thing I will mention is halfway through they were getting a bit too well done, so I swapped my Ninja from air fry to roast and lowered the temperature to 175. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to get these out, I'm going to put them on a plate and then wait for them to cool down a minute and then we'll taste test them. Okay, so as you can see it's fairly easy. Like I mentioned when I took them out the air fryer, I did change it down to the roast setting, which lowers the temperature and I think calms the fan down a little bit. They smell amazing though, it smells just like sausage rolls. The wraps are soft, but they're crunchy on the outside as you heard, but they're soft on the inside. My biggest problem is I don't like eating ridiculously hot food, like in temperature. And these are boiling, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to let them cool down for a bit before I try them. And I have poured myself a little bit of sweet chili sauce to try them with. But once they cool down in about 5 minutes, I will let you know what they taste like. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes now. They're still pretty warm, but it's okay. I'm going to man up. The texture is amazing. That really nice crunch of the wrap on the outside, but on the inside the wraps are soft. Sausage tastes like, I'm sure it's either Wolves or Richmond sausages we have, but it's really good. See what I mean though, 2 ingredients and it's different. It's a nice little lunch to be honest. You could have probably got away with just doing 3 sausages rather than 4. But if you've got sausages in the fridge, you don't even have to worry about defrosting them. And you can just do as many as you need. But these are really nice. I'm going to have these for my lunch. So if you have any hints, tips or recommendations, please leave them down below. We've got quite a few more videos planned over the next few weeks, so keep an eye out. Channel's rapidly approaching 1,000 subs, which is massive. Almost swore there. So if you haven't subbed yet, please do. It makes a massive difference to us and it costs you nothing. So like I said, any comments or would you eat these? That's going to be a question I now ask on every video. Would you try and eat these? Sorry, would you try and make and then eat these? Please let us know below and I will see you on the next one.